What's up, party people? You're listening to the Journal Party Podcast, where every week we get together for a little guided journaling jam sesh. My name is Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that until we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, and if you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. What's up, party people? It's your journaling bestie, Alex, coming at you with another episode of the Journal Party Podcast, where we turn blank pages into breakthroughs. So, real talk, I got a little triggered over the past couple days. I had some stuff. I'll spare you the details because I also don't want to relive it by retelling this story. I'm over it. I think I've processed this thing in a healthy way. But what I'm talking about here is anger. All right? You ever been so mad that your whole body just feels like a volcano about to erupt? Like you're trying to keep your cool, but your brain's just over there flipping tables? Yeah, that was me this weekend. And like I said, I'm over it now because I have healthy ways to process these things. That's very important. But, anger, it's a wild, fiery emotion, isn't it? It can show up when we're hurt, when things feel unfair, or when we just hit our limit with life or someone. That's why today we're going to be jamming through 5 journal prompts to help you process and cope with anger in a way that feels healthy, empowering, and actually kind of cathartic. So open up that journal and let's get this party started. Here comes prompt number 1. What is the source of your anger right now? Write it out like a story. What happened, how it made you feel, and what feels unresolved. Just let it flow. Prompt number 2. If your anger could speak, what would it say? Give your anger a voice, like it's a character, and let it express itself fully. What does it want you to know? Prompt number 3. What lies underneath your anger? Sometimes anger is a mask for emotions like sadness, fear, or frustration. What else might you be feeling? Prompt number 4. What would help you release or soften this anger? Maybe it's forgiveness, setting a boundary, or taking action. Explore what feels like the next step toward relief. Prompt number 5. What's one thing you can do today to transform your anger into something constructive? This could be journaling more, exercising, creating art, or even having an honest conversation. Go nuts. Write about it. All right, party people. If you're anything like me, you might be feeling a little lighter already. Here's the thing, anger isn't bad, it's just a messenger. And when we listen to it, process it, and channel it, we can turn it into something that's powerful, something that actually serves us instead of controls us. So thank you so much for journaling with me today. If you're loving the vibes, I'd love to connect with you. You can hit me up on Instagram at JournalPartyOMG or on my personal handle at Alex Gallner. And don't forget to leave a review. It helps us so much and helps keep this party going and growing. And speaking of parties, don't miss our free weekly live stream, Journal Party Live, every Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Although this week, we're doing it at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're doing an early version this week. I got something going on in the evening. I'm sorry, I'm a human being. I got stuff. But we're still doing it, and perhaps we can put together a recording that the folks who would prefer to do this later, they can access that as well. And that will all live in the Journal Party Live section of the app. And if you're not familiar with what Journal Party Live is, it's where our community comes together to work through our newest prompts, share insights, and then support each other. And you can join us on our YouTube channel, our private Facebook group, or even directly through our app. And the links for all of those are in the show notes, so hope to see you there. And here's a final insight to leave you with. Anger isn't a sign of weakness, it's actually a sign of caring. It's your heart saying that something here matters to me. And by journaling through it, you get to uncover what matters most and find some way to honor it. You gotta honor your experience here. All right, party people. I'll catch you next time. Thank you so much for sharing this journaling journey with me today. And take care of yourselves. Keep journaling, and as always, party on.